Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to test your audio and video settings before joining a Microsoft Teams meeting. This is super helpful because you want to make sure everything's working properly before you actually enter the meeting room, avoiding any awkward technical difficulties in front of your colleagues or clients. First things first, head over to the left side navigation panel in Microsoft Teams. You'll see several options there and you want to click on Meet. This is where all your scheduled meetings live. Once you're in that section, find the meeting you want to join and click Join. This takes you to the pre-meeting setup screen, which is exactly where we want to be for testing purposes. Now, let's tackle your audio settings. You'll notice a microphone icon displayed with the name of your current microphone underneath it. To enable your audio, simply click the toggle button next to the microphone icon. This turns your mic on so you can start testing it. If you need to switch to a different microphone, click on the name of your current microphone and a drop-down menu will appear, showing you all available audio input devices connected to your computer. Here's the important part for testing. You'll see a bar indicator right next to your microphone settings. This bar is designed to show you the audio levels your mic is picking up. Try speaking into your microphone. Something like mic test 1 2 3 works perfectly. As you speak, you should see that bar light up and move according to the volume of your voice. If the bar lights up, that's your confirmation that your audio is working properly and Teams is detecting sound from your microphone. Next up, let's test your video. Look for the camera icon on the same setup screen. You'll see a toggle button next to it. Just like the microphone had, click that toggle button to turn your camera on. Once you do this, you should immediately see your camera preview appear on the screen. This preview shows you exactly what other meeting participants will see when you join, which is incredibly useful for checking your lighting, background, and camera angle. If you need to make any adjustments, now's the perfect time. You can reposition your camera, adjust your seating position, or change your background if needed. This preview gives you complete control over how you'll appear in the meeting. If you want to switch to a different camera similar to the microphone, you can click on the camera name to access a drop-down menu of all available video devices. Once you've confirmed that both your audio and video are working correctly and you're happy with how everything looks and sounds, you're ready to proceed. Simply click Join now to enter the meeting with confidence, knowing your technical setup is perfect. And there you have it, a simple way to test your audio and video before every Microsoft Teams meeting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.